Namaskaram. Today I am at MyG showroom, which is in Edapalli, and it's one of the biggest MyG showrooms ever. And as you all know, MyG is a brand, it has a very great value. I have heard about it for ages on end. They have every product on earth. You can actually touch it, you can feel it, you can see it, you can read it, and the best part is that they give you all of this in the best prices possible, so that you can come and actually experience and get the best price for it. And each and every showroom, I mean 65 showrooms all over Kerala, and each has a service center, so that's amazing customer service. So I'm telling you, you guys have to visit one of the MyG showrooms. Come see for yourself the amazing competitive products that they have, get a feel of it, and I'm sure you're never going to go back empty-handed. I'm 100% sure about it. As you can see behind me, Uruvada accessories are, and especially this is a very interesting thing. You can actually get your picture on your mobile cover, and I absolutely love this thing. Karanam idu personalized aanu. It's customized for you. This is also available in MyG, guys. It's unbelievable. And apart from that, as you all know, I'm a crazy music lover. I love listening to music, and especially when you're on the go. And MyG again has amazing Bluetooth speakers, if you can see, especially the JBL Extreme. Then you have the Pulse 3. So guys, once again, the number of variety and the kind of products that you get in MyG, I don't think you get it anywhere. MyG showroom le mobiles maatralla, laptops, TV, accessories, ellam undu, and orvadu variety aanu, and at the best price possible. So that's an amazing thing. Idana actually velya surprise. Oru mobile showroom you get TV. Ellam things that you get online is what you find in MyG, and if you can see, this is like a 100-inch TV. And if I tell you the price, you won't believe it because it's that amazing. So whatever you can see online, you can actually come here, get a feel of it, actually see it for yourself, and then go and buy. So that's another thing that I really love about MyG. Ivide uruvadu variety of collections aanu. As you can see, there are so many different kinds of mobiles. This is going to be my next phone, R17 Pro, of course. And actually the thing is, price range is really huge. You can buy a phone which is of least price range. You can buy something that is high. So whatever you guys are comfortable with, you guys can come and pick it up. And I'm telling you, you guys are not going to regret this decision, because this is the only showroom that I have seen, especially in my life, that's giving this much variety of ranges. So you guys have to come and see it once for you guys. Nammade life-il venda ella accessories ivideyaanu. From USBs to earphones to adapters, literally everything. And different brands aanu. So I am mesmerized by the amount of things that MyG actually has, and I'm so happy here. Anybody who's tech savvy, anybody who is, who loves to listen to music, do anything in life, your day-to-day life also, the smallest accessories to the biggest, you're going to get it here, for sure. I've travelled to so many places, and I've seen so many different types of things, and cameras especially, and I myself love taking pictures. So I have a lot of my friends who are photographers. But when I came to MyG showroom, especially this one, I came for a mobile. But when I looked around, I was so surprised. Karanam ivide uruvadu variety ana, especially in cameras. There are so many varieties. If you can see this one with amazing features. So I was so surprised. That is why I'm telling you, the customer, especially for MyG is such a competitive and such a nice brand that it allows you to check out different kind of things under one roof, and obviously at the best prices ever. So you will never regret buying anything from here, and you'll never go empty-handed, for sure.
MyG, My Generation Digital Hub.